Hello, this is Mozark, bringing you another adventure from the Buffalo River. I'm going out on Memorial Day weekend with my bud, Dutch Oven Dave. We spent 3 days, and as you can see in the background here, we weren't going to be the only ones on the river. And it was just as crowded as the put-in site here. As you can see, we've taken plenty of gear to survive 3 days, of course. Take a look. The water is a little higher than normal. As a matter of fact, in some of the past videos, it's probably been at least a foot lower than this. This left us with a few challenges. Water was fast, but it wasn't quite as rocky as it's been in the past. So kick back and enjoy. That is a big bluff. You may remember from my video hiking the goat trail. Well, the goat trail is up on the big bluff there. No water here. Nice. As promised, you see the river was quite crowded. Took a few minutes break here, catch a little shade. It was quite warm. And some of the sights you see, something about standing in canoes might not be a good idea. That's where I came down when I was backpacking down from the bluff on my way to Granny Henderson's. Alright, right up there. There it is. There's a little path, a little river crossing. Well, that can mean only one thing. Jim's Bluff's coming up next. Crowded to enjoy today. Pretty swift water. Wow, everybody's going that way. Oh, crap. Camped out with Dutch Oven Dave. Yep, there's our spot. Considerably more grown up than we were here. Familiar. Last time I was through here, there was a lot of rocks exposed. Woo! No need to paddle here. Okay. Should at least hold my paddle and look like I know what I'm doing. Alright. So far, so good. Look at that water. That's not getting close. Get splashed. Oh yeah, that's nice. Look at that water. Be set up straight. Nice. I'm gonna go to the left a little bit. That'll be the excitement. I like it. Woo-hoo. Let's see. Oh yeah, baby. There's the buffalo doesn't have white water. That is nice. Oh, they're dumping water out of that boat. Must leak. It's got a big hole in the top. All right, baby. Woo! Yes, sir. It seems the swift water was giving some of the canoeists and kayakers a bit of a problem. Or was there another distraction? Notice these next guys coming through. I thought they were going to hit me. I don't think they even saw me. Oh, baby. That's a big rock. Yeah. Woo! This is where it's happening this morning. It's time to dig in. Did you get enough cheese on yours? I don't know. Let me check. Oh yeah, I got cheese. Woohoo! This is the life. Yes, this is my mess, as always. There's our gravy with sausage. Yes, it's thickening up. It's been sitting there quite a while. Let's see how the biscuits are coming though. This is what we're waiting on. I think we should call these ready. A Dutch oven full of southern homemade biscuits. So here we are. Biscuits and gravy and sausage and the bluff. Doesn't get much better than that. There was not much video the second day. Matter of fact, there was no video at all. As I was getting in a boat the first day at the gravel bar, before I ever paddled a single stroke, I got stung on my right small finger by a wasp. I tried to ignore it for the first day because there was just too much excitement. But by the second day, it had really swollen, and I didn't feel like doing anything but keeping the right side of the boat up. But now you're seeing me on the beginning of our third day. It's still slightly swollen, but at least it wasn't giving me much pain. Show me that appetizer. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Let me try one. Yummy. So what do we have in there? Right.
Veggies, tomato sauce, brown
Oh, listen to that. Yummy. Woo. It's cute.
right here.